Angel number 636. Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 636. The number 636 is a mix of the energies and effects of the number 6 and the number 3. The number 6 shows up twice, which makes its vibrations stronger. Number 6 has to do with money and finances, being able to provide for yourself and others, loving your home and family, being a good housekeeper, having grace and being honest, nurturing and caring for others, and finding solutions to problems and getting past obstacles. The number 3 is associated with courage, forgiveness, open-mindedness, self-expression and communication, optimism and enthusiasm, natural skills and talents, manifesting, growth, and expansion. The Ascended Masters are also drawn to the number 3. Angel number 636 is a message from your angels that you are getting everything you need in your daily life, because you have a strong connection with the angelic and spiritual realm, and can bring abundance into your life. You can be sure that your financial needs will be met, and you are free to confidently and enthusiastically pursue your life's mission and purpose. Whatever you need will be given to you when you need it. Angel number 636 tells you to pay attention to your intuition and angels' advice, and to take advantage of any new opportunities that come up right now, even if you don't know why. Your angels want you to be brave and bold. They want you to be excited about new opportunities and trust that everything will work out for your highest good. Your home and family life are going well, so enjoy your relationships and the company of those you care about, and give love freely and without conditions. Focus on the good things about yourself, and on loving and accepting yourself and others more. Appreciate and love the people you care about, and be grateful that they are in your life. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.